Clearbrook, North Dallas, 2022 Chevrolet Suburban High Country. Full wrap front, Expel Ultimate Plus. And Tyler, that's it? That's all we did?
Yep.
Okay, so just clarifying. So this was just a full front, fully wrapped in. I'll go over all the edges. You'll see that, like all our installs, mark-free, problem-free, no stretch marks on adhesive, no corners getting cut short. Everything is perfect. Edges, everything all wrapped in. We don't do any notching out. Everything gets fully wrapped in. Like this fender, all fully wrapped in. All fully wrapped in. These were removed, fully wrapped in. Those are your side markers on the bumper. The only thing we didn't take off, because in the event we broke one of these or we needed to replace it, no High Country decals are available or on permanent hold, so no sense in taking care of it. So in our program, this is trimmed out so we can get a nice fit. Usually we would take all that off to show no cutout, but unfortunately a lot of emblems come off easy. This one's pretty tight with all this. When we start lifting it with the string, it could crack. Anyway, so the client said just leave it. So starting up here, this is all wrapped in. A-pillar's fully done, all wrapped in all the way up. There's no sense in doing an A-pillar and having a line here, because the rocks are going to skip off this windshield into this little gauntlet, if you want to call it that, all the way up to the roof strip. So that's all wrapped in, not to damage any of the paint. And it's all wrapped into the door. So underneath the door, and that's it. Mirrors are fully done, fully wrapped around, edge to edge, all the way. Door into, fender into door, no line. So you can't even tell the fender's done versus the door. Obviously all the way under here, into the wheel well, coming into the bumper, doesn't even look like it's done. So if you're looking for that perfect install, we are your people. Give us a call. You can go to clearbrooknorthdallas.com. There's some submission forms, estimates, or you can call us direct, 214-414-3809, extension 0 or 1. I'm Brent, and you can get me on extension 1. And if you need Tyler, you can just ask for Tyler. And believe it or not, there's 2 of them that will answer, but they both have the same name. Keeps it easy. I hire people with the name Tyler only. And that's it, folks, right there. I'm not going to beat it up anymore. Perfect job on a big old Suburban, and Expel's Ultimate Plus, and Clearbrook, North Dallas. Appreciate you guys watching. clearbrooknorthdallas.com.